Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast where you learn practical English for real conversations. Today, we have an interesting topic for sports fans. Ohio State football is looking for a new offensive coordinator.
That's right. Ohio State's offensive coordinator, Chip Kelly, has left his job to join the Las Vegas Raiders. This means Ohio State needs to find a new person to lead their offense.
Yes, and this is very important because Ohio State is one of the strongest college football teams. Their head coach, Ryan Day, must choose a great replacement.
Before we dive deeper, let's explain a few words. First, offensive coordinator. This is a coach who plans how the team will attack and score points.
Right? Think of it like a chef planning a restaurant's menu to make sure the food is delicious, or a director planning a movie's scenes so it's exciting.
Good examples. The offensive coordinator decides the best strategy to score points in a game. Now, replacement means the new person who takes over for someone else.
Yes, if a teacher is sick, a substitute teacher is the replacement for that day. Or if your phone stops working, you get a replacement phone.
Okay, now back to the news. Chip Kelly has left a mammoth-sized hole in the Ohio State coaching staff. Mammoth-sized means something very big, like the size of a mammoth.
Exactly. If you lose your wallet, you have a big or mammoth-sized problem. Or if a singer leaves a band, fans feel a mammoth-sized gap.
Ohio State must fill this gap quickly. Ryan Day needs someone who can lead the team to more victories. That's why this decision is so important.
Yes, the team just won a national championship, which means they were the best in college football last season. They want to continue winning.
Now let's review the key words and phrases from today's episode. Offensive coordinator. The coach who plans how a team scores points.
Replacement, a new person taking over for someone else.
Mammoth-sized. Something very big or important.
And that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.